Y'all, so this is your girl CutieKam and welcome to the CutieKamVlog. So today we're going to be cooking some honey buffalo wings, but I'm going to show y'all how to make the sauce, okay? So pretty much what you're going to need, y'all, is a stick of butter, whole stick of butter. Then you're going to need some Frank's hot sauce. It could be Louisiana hot sauce. It could be all kind of let that chicken cook just a little bit more. It could be like the Louisiana hot sauce, Frank's hot sauce, Crystal. It could be any kind. Then on top of that, you get you some honey, honey. So you get that. So you pretty much got your hot sauce, your honey, and your butter. And last but not least, if you wanted to have a little spice to it, get you some cayenne pepper. And I'm telling you, it's gonna be fine. So I'm about to show you what I do to make this up. So first, it's gonna be kind of hard for me to do it with one hand because I'm gonna hold my phone and stuff like that. So I'm gonna try to show y'all step by step. So okay, so as you can see, you guys, I put the whole butter in here. So you gotta make sure that this skillet is piping hot. And once that butter melts completely, then we're gonna add our Frank's hot sauce, okay? So you can add like your little seasonings if you want to. If you want like a little seasonings on it or anything like that, it'll be pretty good. But once that melts completely, we'll put that hot sauce in there. So I'll be right back, y'all. So as you can see, I don't know why my recording acting weird. It might be sideways once it's uploaded. So as you can see, I poured half a bottle of Frank's hot sauce in here, you guys. So as you can see, I gotta stir it up. I add a little cilantro spices and stuff in here. But you can add like cilantros or any type of like seasoning sauce and stuff. But I mean, you don't gotta add like no seasoned salt because that'd be too salty. Because you know you got the butter already got the salt in it, and the hot sauce already got it. So once you mix it up real good. Mix it real good. Okay, and then you make sure you turn the stove on 2, because you don't want it to burn. So you turn it on 2. If you have an electrical stove or a gas stove, always turn on 2. So it could kind of cook the sauce on low. So as you can see, it look like a bright red. You know, that's the butter and stuff like that, okay? So then we're going to put this honey in there. So I'm going to have to come back with this. So give me 1 second. All right, y'all. So now we're about to pour this honey in here. It really don't matter how much honey you want, but if you want it super sweet, just pour you like that much amount. And then take your spoon and you stir it up. Keep stirring until it's like literally saturated in there. Just keep stirring because you want that like sweet taste. Definitely put some of that honey in there. Like, and then like I said, I just pour like a half a bottle of honey if you want to like sweet. And then I'm gonna show you my wings in a minute because I just took the first batch out. I still got a second batch, and after the second batch is done, so you just keep stirring. Now when I said put it on 2, make sure you put it on low because it will start to like bubble. You know what I'm saying? So just put it on low for the time being, and then turn it back up to 2, so that way you know, you could, you know, have it hot. So next, we're going to put the cayenne pepper. So, this is my original cayenne pepper because we use a lot of cayenne pepper, you know, in my home. So I'm going to try to multitask. Put the cayenne pepper in there. Not too much. I think that might be a little bit too much. But for all my spicy head fanatics, this is for y'all. So we're gonna stir this up. Stir this up. So stir this up, stir this up. Stir this up. So let this keep stirring. And then like on my end might look bright on y'all end because of the lighting, but on my end, when I look at it, it's dark because of the honey. So yes, so we're gonna keep on stirring, and then don't worry about if you see like little like the powder of the cayenne pepper, even though if you see like little black specks, you know, it's gonna dissolve in it. You just gotta keep stirring it real good, and then once you put this sauce on that chicken, it's gonna dissolve completely. See, as you can see, you don't see any. Just gotta keep stirring. Just keep stirring real good. You won't see the little seasonings all bunched up in one place. So yeah. So this is what you call honey buffalo wings sauce. And then I'm gonna show y'all my chicken. I'll show y'all that in just a second. And these are my wings, nice and crispy. I got some rosemary, some rosemary, some thyme, some garlic powder, garlic salt, and I ain't put no black pepper in there, which is crazy. I ain't put no black pepper in there, but what else did I put in here? So it's onion powder, garlic salt, thyme, and rosemary. And I think that's about it. But for it to get crispy like this, get you some baking I think baking powder. Get you some baking powder. And make sure you put 2 tablespoons of baking powder on the chicken that's raw, and put all your seasons in it. And then you put some oil. And the oil I use, you guys, is this avocado oil. I like this. It's better than the other oils because, you know, avocado itself got healthy fats, and you know we all need healthy fats in our body. So yes, so that's pretty much what I do. I put this on the chicken where I was raw. I add all the seasonings I just named, which was the garlic salt, the onion powder, the garlic powder, the thyme and rosemary. And I didn't put no black pepper, but if you want to put black pepper, you more than welcome to. And then you put that avocado oil that I just showed y'all, and you put just not a lot, but just enough, so that way it'd be well not saturated. You don't want to be too saturated, but just enough, so that way when you put that baking powder in there, it's coated all throughout the chicken. So once the other batch of chicken is ready, I will show y'all the grand finale as far as pouring it, so that way y'all can see how it looks. And I will be right back. So we are back. So these are my wings, as you can see. Look very crispy. So I had this on low, but don't worry about the butter, the way it look. Like I said, it's gonna go away once you start mixing that chicken in real good or whatever. So we about to pour this into that, and then we're gonna mix it up. So stay tuned. So we poured that sauce in, as you can see. Now we're gonna take these tongs. I'm gonna mix this chicken together. Kind of like mix it real good. I'm gonna try to do it with one hand. So y'all, ooh, that sauce is messing with my eyes. Ooh. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, so let me mix it, and I'm gonna come back. So hold on. It looks like once that sauce is on the wings, y'all, and we are not done. So once all of this sauce, you get it nice and coated, use the tongues. My bowl is not that big, so I mean it's decent. But I think this is about like 17 chicken wings up in here. And I like the fact that these wings are small. They're not them big bulky ones that look all weird looking. But once you see all this coated up in that sauce, now we're going to get them sticky. And what I mean by that, we're going to put this in the air fryer for about a good old 5 minutes. Some people say about 3 minutes, but since it's a lot of wings, we'll do 5 minutes, and it's going to have that sticky feel to it, and y'all going to see. So stay tuned. So this is the after results after it's been cooked in here for about 5 minutes. As you can see, the way it looks, it's like that sticky feel of the wings. So yes, y'all, so this is what you call honey buffalo wings. And I'll probably take a picture of it towards the end, so that way you can get a better look how it looks on the plate. So I thank you guys so much. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to CutieKamVlogs. Bye.